Today we're going to show you how to make caramel. This caramel recipe is so delicious and only requires a few ingredients, so let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm Ara.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins, the channel that offers you simplified recipes along your baking journey.
Alright, to make this salty caramel sauce, we're going to get out a saucepan and add in 1.5 cup of sugar. To this, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of water. Okay, we're going to turn this on low heat. And we're just going to let this sit and we're going to wait until it turns into a darker caramel-like color. We do not want to mix this, but what we can do is just get a brush and just brush the sides of this so that there's no crystallization.
Alright, it has come to the color that we want, and let's remove it from heat. Okay, so now we're going to add in 1 cup of heavy cream into the saucepan, and we're going to whisk as fast as we can because there's going to be a lot of steam. Oh God. And now we're going to add in 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And we're just going to whisk it until it's completely melted. And now we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And give it a whisk.
Okay, so let's pour our mixture into a little glass jar we have here.
Okay, so our caramel came out of the fridge after an hour, and let's try it. Oh, that's good. It's nice and bitter. So you don't have to have it this bitter. If you want it to be more bitter, then you can cook it for a longer time. But if you want to be less, then you could, of course, cook it for a shorter time. It doesn't really matter. It's your preference. Alright, that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching.
Tune in tomorrow at 12 p.m. Pacific time for the next video in this 30-day posting challenge.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up down below.
That's it for now. So,
click over here for the last video.
Click down there for our 30-day posting challenge series.
And click right here to subscribe.
And we'll see you in our next video.
Have a great day.
Bye.